My wife and I moved to the desert 4 or 5 years ago. Bought the house for the location and the yard.
It was old, it was outdated, it wasn't anything that I really wanted to entertain in. It didn't reflect us.
We met with really several people. We were really disappointed in response, in ideas, and even in any quotes. We just didn't feel comfortable.
When we met with Rosie, I felt that I was going to be listened to. That made a big difference to me.
It was first meeting or second meeting, we were convinced that we had found somebody that we wanted to work with.
We wanted this project done as quickly as possible. They gave us a timeline. It spelled out everything that was going to happen, and including this is the day you can move back in. They hit every one of those deadlines, including the move back in deadline.
They sent a note and a letter independent of us, informing our neighbors that we were going to build a house. It meant something that I didn't have to deal with, or Jan. It took all of the annoyance, out of the neighborhood. We've had lots of remodels here in the neighborhood. They're doing it for a year or 10 months. They got this thing done in 4.5 months. They were organized, they knew what they were doing, and we didn't get one complaint from a neighbor.
It was a combination of, I'd say, process and personalities. They had a system that I could go online anytime and see, first of all, what had happened at the house that day, and there might be pictures up. But also our project manager, she was amazing. We were in constant communication as needed, not over-communicated, not under-communicated.
And the main objective that we stuck with was we wanted to open the house up.
Now the house is open and light and flows. You almost breathe differently in here now, more expansively, because it's a calming, beautiful space. With the new kitchen, I am reinvigorated in terms of cooking.
Our daughter keeps calling and saying, "Dad, when are you and Jan going to be leaving the house? Because we'd like to come over and take care of the dog." It's not that they want to take care of the dog. They want to hang out here at the house.
This house is a joy now. It really is a joy. We're Bob and Jane Carmichael.
And we're delighted that we work with Rosie Wright.